Hi, welcome to my educational channel on artificial intelligence. Today I want to show you how easy and simple it is to translate your videos into different languages using the video editor tool. This is a great way to reach a wider audience and expand your influence. The Video Hub supports many languages, including Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, and others. With it, you can easily adapt your videos for different cultures and nationalities. This is a great opportunity to increase your audience. One of the unique features of the video player is the ability to clone voices using artificial intelligence. This means that you can create a copy of your voice with just one click. This feature gives your videos more authenticity and uniqueness. Your voice will sound the same as in the original recording, which will help establish trust and engagement with your audience. In this video, let's see how to translate a video from a YouTube channel from one language to another. Click the Create New button in the navigation bar. Enter the YouTube link of the video in the input field. Click the Submit button next to the input field. Paste the YouTube link of the video into the input field. Select the original language of the video from the full list of languages. Select the original language of the uploaded video from the drop-down menu. Click on the MP4S button to download the translated video file. Play the translated video by clicking on the play button in the video player. Adjust the video volume by clicking on the volume icon in the video player. Click on the Languages tab to view or select different language options for the translated video. After completing these steps, you can easily translate and download videos from YouTube in any other language. Enjoy! So, we have reviewed the capabilities of this tool. Quite impressive. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next tutorial video on artificial intelligence. Good luck to you!